The Inequality Virus Report, Oxfam International. Recently, the Inequality Virus Report released by Oxfam International has found that the COVID pandemic deeply increased the existing inequalities in India and around the world. The report states that COVID has the potential to increase economic inequality in almost every country at once. The first time this has happened since records began over a century ago. Findings of the report. Impact of the pandemic. India introduced one of the earliest and most stringent lockdowns in the face of the pandemic, and its enforcement brought the economy to a standstill, triggering unemployment, hunger, distress, migration, and untold hardship in its wake. The rich were able to escape the pandemic's worst impact, and while the white-collar workers isolated themselves and worked from home, a majority of the not-so-fortunate Indians lost their livelihood. Impact on informal sector. India's large informal workforce was the worst hit as it made up of 75% of the 122 million jobs lost. Informal workers had relatively fewer opportunities to work from home and suffered more jobless compared to the formal sector. Impact on education. Over the past year of education shifted online. India saw the digital divide worsening inequalities. On the one hand, private providers experienced exponential growth here. On the other, just 3% of the poorest 20% of Indian households had access to the computer and just 9% had access to the internet. Health inequalities. Oxfam found that since India does not report case data desegregated by socio-economic or social categories, it is difficult to gauge the distribution of the disease among various communities. India currently has the world's second largest cumulative number of COVID-19 positive cases, and globally the poor, marginalized and vulnerable communities have higher rates of COVID-19 prevalence. Sanitation facility. Only 6% of the poorest 20% household had access to non-shared source of improved sanitation, compared to 93% of top 20% household in India. In terms of caste, just 37.2% of scheduled caste household and 25.9% of scheduled tribes household had access to non-shared sanitation facility, compared to 65.7% of general population. Gender disparities. Employment. The unemployment rate among women rose from already high 15% before COVID to 18%. This increase in unemployment of women can result in a loss to India's gross domestic product of about 8% or $218 billion. Health. Beyond income and job losses, poorer women also suffered health-wise because of the disruption in regular health services and Anganwadi centers. Domestic violence. The pandemic also fueled domestic violence against women. As of November 2020, cases of domestic violence rose by almost 60% over the past 12 months. About Oxfam International. Oxfam International is a group of independent non-governmental organizations formed in 1995. The name Oxfam comes from the Oxford Committee for Famine Relief, founded in Britain in 1942. The group campaigned for food supplies to starving women and children in enemy-occupied Greece during the Second World War. It aims to maximize efficiency and achieve greater impact to reduce global poverty and injustice. The Oxfam International Secretariat is based in Nairobi, Kenya.